mwe tunapiga kelele mama nyago unapendeza leo niweze awaona go break the boat iselebedo tunapiga maua follow 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 umemuona anapendeza umemuona umempenda utamchunga utamvisha umemuona anapendeza umemuona umempenda utamchunga utamvisha.
Yes. What does that last word meaning? Utamusija something what?
Yeah, this song is for wedding.
Hey, it's a wedding song.
Yeah.
And we have people getting married. You should hire this guy. What inspired you to do a wedding song?
Yeah, this song is like my manager gets married, and that's why I do that song.
Oh,
yes.
Okay. Which part of Africa do you come from?
Yeah, so I can see there's some East African musician, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya,
but the grassroots.
I promote my music in Tanzania.
Tanzania. So you speak Swahili?
Yes.
Unajua Swahili? That's the only word I know. You can greet your people in Swahili, eh? Yeah, tell them.
Ya ndugu zangu na wasalimu sana na wapenda sana. Naitwa Bugra Msafi from Tanzania. Niko Uganda. Nashukuru Mungu sana kwa mahali hapa tena. Ningewaomba ndugu zangu, niko hapa Uganda kwa ajili ya kupromote wimbo wangu kubwa ambao unaitwa Ameenda. Najua mmeshafuatilia ile video sana na inaingiza viewers wengi. Mungu awabariki sana. Leo niko Kampala Uganda jamani kwenye U24 TV. Tuko nafanya kazi sio kwa kawaida, kazi kali sana. Najua mnajua kazi zangu. Mungu awabariki sana, msikose sana kuendelea kunisupport. Ingia kila mahali, Mungu akubariki.
Baina wa watu tunze vitu kiliza.
Kazi kali, niko ngumu.
Swahili is hard. Ako mtegede Oluswahili.
Oluswahili lwo kyentegeddeko kimu ng'asiibula. Wenkomyo tegeera. Naye nga singa terubadde weerutyo nantegeddemu akatono kati olulabika lunsusseeko.
Olw'Ekenya n'Tanzania lwawukana.
Lwawukanira ddala. Kati olwo lunsusseeko. Ate nze ate mmanyi lwa wano.
Oluswahili lw'e Uganda.
Olw'e Uganda olw'okuyiriba.
Nakupiga.
Wewe toka hapa. Awo ng'amanya bangobyewo.
Amanya n'eddoboozi.
Amanya n'eddoboozi mpitibwa Ankobulamu, eddoboozi lye lyaleero ate lye ery'enkya.
Otyo? Liribeerawo bbanga na bbanga.
Lyeryo Ankobulamu eddoboozi, amanya n'eddoboozi lye eryaleero, lye ery'ejjo ate lye ery'enkya.
Ankobulamu. Your life gwe bulamu.
Twala oba n'abasigadde.
Oli Rastaman? Rasta yatera okweka enviiri.
Rasta guba mutima. Si nviiri. Rasta guba ku mutima. Ndi mu Rasta.
Okay.
Ennaku zino nze mu Rasta ffe abalya ennyama.
Abalusa tebalya nnyama.
Abalusa tebalya nnyama naye
tugenda tugivaako. Naye nga twali tugirya ku.
Balusa tebalya nnyama. Ne soda temunywa. N'enkoko toti. Rasta tolina yiwa musaayi.
Anti kati ebintu engeri gye bigenda bikyukakyuka. Kati ennyama tulabika tukkirizibwa olya ng'emmamba teyiwa nnyo musaayi.
Bangambye egenda months of the days.
Kale mmale naye era weetagenderamu oba osobola oggirya. Osobola otegeera nti kategendamu.
Kayimba kiko tuleetedde olunaku lwaleero?
Akayimba ndeesa akayimba bakayita sorry. Kendeesa olwaleero. Nali neetonda eri omwagalwa nga yaŋŋendako nga neetonda mukomyawo. We nakawandiikira awo nenkayiya nga essaawa eno yakomawo. Namukowoola n'alabanga omusajja bambi ali mu buwuubaavu nnyina okuddayo n'engatta ebituli ebyo. Obimanyi embeera ogimanyi. Naye nga namunyiizaamu bambi. mbeera sikyagikola woba gwe kikyotamanyi
gwe yakawandiika
nze nakawandiika
ate yaleka producing
producer Miyaji Miyaji hakuba
ava side ki
ava saidi zaawe waffe ali mu Lubaga
oli wa Lubaga
ndi wa Lubaga
kyaka n'ekyalo kiri mu site
ekyalo kyaffe era lusaze Kosovo byebimu wange Levikson abaabimanyi
lusaze Kosovo awo kulimbo nosalaawo
awo lusaze Lugala Kosovo tuba tuli wamu era nga mukulu wange Levikson kyemmanyi essaawa eno kwali andaba
Levikson ye mukulu wo
andaba neetuukidde
Levikson mukulu kituufu aba ye mukulu wo mukulu
ye mukulu wange
okay okay brother man how's Tanzania
Is very good.
Have you been there recently?
So much.
We saw news that there's instability there because of the elections.
Yeah, the elections.
But is it okay now?
But everything is okay.
We can go back.
You can go.
That's why you came.
Yeah.
So you're going back?
Yeah.
Today?
Not today, just after 1 week.
Okay. You came by bus?
Yes.
By air?
Yeah.
You supported Uganda Airways?
Yes.
How was the feeling?
I like
they gave you juice.
I like Uganda. Jagala matoke ya Uganda. Wakazi wa Uganda.
You want Ugandan women?
Yes, for sure.
Which tribe exactly? Do you know the tribes in Uganda?
Just I like all Ugandans.
We have Banyankole, Baganda, Bagwere.
I like all.
Bacholi.
Bona.
Basoga, they are the most beautiful ones.
Bona.
Basoga, those ones.
Enzo bagala bachiga.
Bachiga enzo mukuba. How's music in Tanzania?
Music in Tanzania is good. We promote there with Wasafi TV. More TV are there, we promote. And for sure, I know God help us. Yeah. We are good there.
When are you doing Wasafi?
Even it was in 19th April.
19th April?
Yeah. April.
Okay. That's when you joined?
Yeah.
You're under Wasafi?
Yeah. Not Wasafi TV, not Wasafi label.
Oh.
Yeah, Wasafi TV.
I thought Wasafi was like, man, send our greetings to
it's
that
like
man.
In Uganda here, this is TV.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Anyways, wado tukamya kaimba ka I'm sorry. Do ogeno kakolera video. Do you have any future projects ogeno kola indare yo? Oba just wali okoze I'm sorry nga ya mchara eka.
See, I'm sorry eka. Nina project endala nyingi naye nga womanyi ebiseera ebisinga tubeeyo mu ghetto nga akasente kabulamu era kino kisindika eri promoter ayinza okwagala ennyimba yange nga so kumpushingako waggulu osingako wendi kuba ekituufu ennyimba gyeziri neziri mu studio olw'akasente kati era wenakwataganya ne Lastborn nendaba nga asobola okunteeka ewaddako maye omukulu oyo anoonya nnyo talenti okuva wansi eyo neŋŋamba kambeerewo naye nga ennyimba gye ziri nnungi zinyuma naye nga I'm sorry essaawa eno lwe luyimba lwengenda oba ng'alirizinga n'essaawa eno waneeno luwune naye nga video ngisuubira ogikola January.
Okay, brother man.
Yes.
You brought us 2 songs today.
Yeah.
The first one that you've just performed, the wedding song.
Yes.
What other song do you have?
It's called Huu ni Mwaka. It's the song for New Year. Celebrating
Huu ni Mwaka.
Yeah, Huu ni Mwaka.
Huu ni Mwaka.
Huu ni Mwaka mu Luganda guno mwaka.
Guno mwaka. Huu ni Mwaka.
Huu ni Mwaka.
So if I go in Tanzania and say Huu ni Mwaka, they will understand.
Yeah.
How do you ask for food? Because those are the most important aspects. When I want to eat,
nataka kula.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you say that I like you? I like you.
Nakupenda.
Yeah. Mfunye sentence. Nakupenda nataka.
Agalagata katabo
akategedde. Okay. What's unique about this song? The one you told us. Huli Mwaka.
Yeah, huu ni mwaka is the song of celebrating New Year just.
Okay.
I write that song. I write it because I'm a writer. Then I'm a singer.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna use less words. They're gonna perform their songs. You people listen to them. Of course, I know you're gonna love them. As to social media handles, about to meet the core, but now never rasta bali enyama.
Mukusokera ddala ngenda tumirako mikwano gyange nga sisosodde mannya kuba mikwano gyange bangi nnyo naddala abansupportinga naye ntumirako abali mu Dakar State Champion Nesta, ntumirako abali mu San Quinton Manchester Lufula Masanafu, ntumirako abali mu Dipo Nankulabye, ntumirako abali Erusaze ku Kiwanja, ntumira abe Kosovo, coach Mike Chiza, coach wange omanyi ndi boxer chovola banga
chiwede wengwanga mu babbi njogerere nnyali wange
anko bulamu
chiwede
coach Rola ngutumiddeko coach Edris Kavuma nkwagala nnyo emikwano gyonna bannaye Erusaze sibasosodde mbatumiridde wamu
mwenamba kusanga ku social media
anetaze ku social media searchinga anko bulamu wonna anko bulamu lyerikola
kale my brother social media handles
Yeah.
and in case you want to send some shout outs to your people in Tanzania and
my
also Kenya and Uganda
okay. My name is Bugra Msafi, B-U-G-R, that is my name, Bugra Msafi. Yeah, so I'm here in Uganda. Just I want to collaborate with Ugandan because I like Ugandan music, as Jose Chameleone is #1 in East Africa. We like Jose Chameleone so much in Tanzania, Kenya, everywhere. That is why I'm here. I want to promote my music in Uganda. And thanks God I gave you guys here and promote me here. Thank you very much. Ndugu zangu nawasalimu sana, naitwa Bugra Msafi toka Tanzania. Nawapenda sana ndugu zangu wa Kenya, wa Rwanda, wa Kongo. Wote nawapenda sana. Hapa niko Kampala, Uganda jamani. Kitu ningeomba sana ndugu zangu msikose kunisupport na kuniunga mkono, sababu mwaka huu ambao tunaanza haitakuwa mwaka wa kawaida kabisa, ni mwaka kubwa sana. Nitafanya concert kubwa pia Kampala. So Mungu awabariki sana ndugu yangu. Naitwa Bugra Msafi, usikose kunifollow kila mtandao yote. Mungu akubariki.
Amen. God bless you. Okay, I'm gonna leave these guys. They're gonna be performing their songs. Tell me what you think about these songs on social media. Then we shall be coming back with Mishi. Let's go.
I'm sorry, my boss. I'm so sorry, my boss. I'm sorry, my boss. I'm sorry, my boss. Sala kubusungu baby wanyiga nnyo sikamalala mpulira ngonze. I just wanna talk, please pick your phone. I'll never forget the day you say you love me. Ondi kumutima nga musiramu na pirao. Eyali bisati nafuna munao. Eyali chibanda navane kunja yewe wangamba nti toyagala bayaye. Baby nsaba ontegere wemba nchamye nsaba ontereze. Nsaba ontegeze we wange boya. I'm sorry my boss, ibidamu nabikoba. I'm sorry my boss, ibidamu nabikoba.
Music.
Papagaru, papapampa, oh papagaru. Bless up. Papagaru, papapampa, oh papagaru. Papagaru, I trust you. Ya kwamba umwaka utatenda. Msalabani yote yalikwisha, tukapata ushindi. Walizani mimi niko peke yangu, hawakujua kwamba nina Mungu wangu. Yeye halali anakesha juu yangu. Kumbuka kweli nitawashangaza, nitanunua nyumba na gari ya kutembelea, kwa maana vyote viko chini ya Mungu wangu. Huu ni mwaka